huge explosion near a mining town in western Ghana has left at least 17 people dead. A preliminary investigation carried out by Ghana Police Service revealed that the explosion occurred at Apiate between Bogoso and Bawdie in the western region on Thursday, January 20, after a collision between a vehicle carrying mining explosives and a motorcycle. The mining vehicle, which was containing large amounts of explosives, was reportedly moving from Tarkwa and heading towards Chirano mines when it collided with a motorcycle on the stretch of the Bogoso road. Image shared by local media showed a large plume of black smoke rising above destroyed buildings and scattered debris as residents called for help. Graphic videos showed mutilated bodies of victims. A large crater can also be seen beside a road. At least 59 people were injured, some of whom were in a critical condition, Information Minister Kojo Oppong Nkrumah said. The Ghana Police Service, in collaboration with other emergency service providers, activated a full emergency recovery exercise. Ghana's President Nana Akufo-Addo said the military had joined emergency effort to help contain the situation, and the country's disaster management agency had been tasked with bringing rapid relief to residents. "It is truly a sad day, unfortunate and tragic incident," he tweeted. Rescue efforts were underway and people have been told to move out of the area. Police called on nearby towns to open up their classrooms, churches, etc. to accommodate surviving victims. A team of police and army explosion experts were deployed to avoid a second explosion and secure the scene, the government said. This is Justina reporting for Donkey's News Lab. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
Hey! Minimum. Wow! Ha! Serious? Hey! Hi! Serious, this. Hey! What's it? Mas é serious. É serious.